taste test for the cold brews, because these are actually going viral on TikTok, and this coffee brand, I think it's a Singaporean brand, and we have the cold brew Americano flavor, we have the latte, and then we have the mocha. Funny story is that so last night I really was so excited. I wanted to try out this cold brew. I tried maybe just this bit. Dude, I couldn't sleep, toss and turn, and I think about 2 AM I fell asleep. My heartbeat was pumping like mad, and I usually don't take coffee after 1 PM. So that was rare of me. The original flavor. Looks like that. Pour it into this cup. It's definitely a lot thinner than the normal Starbucks cold brew. I'm gonna try the mocha because a lot of people say the mocha is nice. So I'm gonna try the mocha. It's a cold brew mocha. Oh, this is a lot sweeter. It's more like a chocolate milk than mocha though. 4 upon 10, but the taste overall is quite nice. Just that it tastes like 3-in-1 coffee, so totally not up my alley. And then we have here the cold brew latte flavor. Maybe I'll like this the most. Oh, I think the latte is the nicest. It's not as artificial like the mocha, but they actually taste almost the same. It's very 3-in-1 coffee. Alright, so I'm just gonna finish up the coffee because I don't want to waste it. I feel like a crazy woman. Hey, I'm just gonna clear out my table because my new Everdesk table is coming. We're done. All good. So this is my current setup, which is gonna change soon because this table will be gone. And then we have my chair. This is the old one, and then we have a new one. I'm just gonna change everything up, and even the monitor. So I'm gonna show you guys my current one so you can see the before and after. We have the rider clock, which is new, and then we have the computer stand, and it looks like that. And just this from Shopee, Logitech mouse. Pretty good, love it. And then we have the Acer Curve. I'm not sure if you guys can hear the doorbell just rang. I'm just gonna clear all these things up first. I still have my laptop and stuff not cleared, so I'm just gonna remove all these things on the table. So while they are fixing this up, let me just open this from Handmade Hero. Dildo. Open it up. Wow, that actually looks so pretty. Wow, this is actually so cool. Oh my god, this is a top? Wait, what? Gonna open this up later on. Then we have the tote bag. So interesting. I also just bought this. It's this Shopee chair, foldable sofa chair. So cute. It matches my whole lounging area. almost done. We have my Prism. I just got done with my setup and it looks really pretty. I have the Prism Plus here. It's the X340 and then we have the Everdesk here. I'm just going to show you how it works. So like that, it goes down and the whole thing just goes down like that. And then if I flick it to the right, it moves up, and I think it's really good for my back. And thank you so much Everdesk and Prism Plus for this amazing setup. I'm gonna do like a more in-depth desk setup tour for you guys, so it's gonna be a lot of fun, and I really like this. Oh yeah, I wanted to tell you guys that this light, I'll show you guys, it's called the Lumen Hover Light Bar in light. Now it's the real cleanup time because I really